Good afternoon, everyone. This is the second installment of my pool pump replacement project. As you can see, I bought an EcoPump. I have an EP-8 here. I got a little bit ahead of myself. I wanted to take some video yesterday and completely forgot. But I installed the pump yesterday, and there's a couple of things I want to make note of here. Is I bought some adjustable stainless steel legs. And it's a little bit difficult to see, but in the back I have some shorter ones, and here in the front you can see have some longer ones. And I did that so that I could get the pump on the same, connect it right up to the existing plumbing. It worked out really slick. I got it nice and level, it's nice and stable, and I'm really satisfied with that. I used the same old conduit, and I replaced all the wiring, connected everything up per the instructions on the EcoPump instructions there that were included with the pump. And I adapted. I bought their three-way switch, but I didn't really like it, so I bought a couple of different switches here. I bought the switch on the left here is a three-way switch, just a normal household three-way switch, and the one on the right is a standard, just on-off two-way. And basically what I did was I tapped in the three-way to control the high and low speed. And you can see here I've got the blue and the red wire, which is the orange on the EcoPump schematic, and that's controlling, again, high and low speed. And then the white on the three-way is the common, and you can see I've got the common fed over here, and I'm breaking that power off of line 1, and then line 2 is this white with the black tape on it that goes that's going directly to the pump for line 2. And basically the way I've got it set up here, it's not powered right now, is when the pool pump, the timer is on, and it's going to run, my idea is to run it 24/7. This switch is going to break the power to the pump on the common side there. So what I can do is I can turn the pump off and change my speed, high or low. High is up, low is down. And I checked it last night, and the pump is working. And if not, all you have to do is swap the red and the blue connections on the switch, so you've got it switching in the right direction. I just felt like high up made more sense, low down made sense, and I'm going to mark these switches with some stickers. And again, here, on and off, so I don't want to change the speed of the pump while the pump is running, so turn the pump off, change the speed, turn the pump on. Works out really well, and I'm satisfied with that. So the electrical is done. Again, I've got it wired up to the pump. I just need to connect the grounds on the back of the chassis, the motors. And right now I'm starting my plumbing. Made a couple of small changes, one being I used to have a spigot here that would, for draining the pool. I added a three-way valve. Now if I turn it, in the opposite direction, the water is diverted and pumped out of the pool and into the yard towards the camera here. And then of course I had to relocate, had to move things around a bit. The pump needed to move over. It was a little bit different from the Jandy that I had, and then I moved the pump over, so I have to replumb all this. So I'm going to come back here in about in the next video, and I'll show you, when I get a bit closer. I've got to put a new chlorinating unit in here. I've got an inline chlorinator, and the next video I will, have it all tied up and take a video of it running, and I'll show you my little valve thing, show you how that's working, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the video, and I've got some great ideas for replacing your next pool pump. A couple of things to note on this unit, and I ran the pump and it is really quiet. When I first put it on, I thought something was wrong, so I was really impressed with the noise level. It's much lower. In fact, the old pump is right here. It's a bit haggard. It's running, but I don't know for how much longer, and it's going to find a home on Craigslist here pretty soon. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and I will be back here in a little bit with video number 3. Take care.